the item. I received it. It's in some sort of bag, but it is protected because I can't feel the wires. It's in bubble wrap. So let's open this up and see what it is. Tip, do not use a knife to open this up. Clearly that's why it's not in a cardboard box, because people will dig in with a knife and obviously you might end up cutting the cable or doing some damage to the cable, which obviously the seller is not responsible for. So let's open this up. I've ordered a 15-meter cable, which will be sufficient for what I need it for. This is a weatherproof extension lead, not a mains type of sort of extension lead. But let's open it up and see what we have inside. Let's open it all up. Just want to check this is nice and tight. It's nice and tight. Get rid of the box, and there we have it. As you can see, it's got like a black layer on top, which is see-through actually. So I'm guessing they're a bit stiff, but they do work. So yeah, as I was saying before, they've got LEDs to indicate if they're on. I'm sure they would show out of there. So let's plug it on and see what it's all about. I've turned it on, plugged it in, plugged the plug into the socket, and yes, that's right, seems to be working. Well, the LED indicates they are on. We will plug something into this shortly. So look how clear that is. It's beautiful. The gland is nice and tight. Always check if this is nice and tight, because what you don't want to do is be able to push this cable in and out, because it might get loose from inside, causing a break in some sort of cable, and you might damage the product obviously. But I bought this from a trusted seller on eBay. Fantastic item. I'm going to show you, if you are going to be leaving this item outside and permanently fixing it outside, this is sold as an extension lead, meaning you take it off and it's not permanent, nothing stays live. But as it has a plug at the other end of it, I'm sure you're able and are allowed to leave this outdoors, because this cable is a good cable, nice and hard. It's not one of them cheap cables. So I've asked the seller the question. It can take up to -20 and 60 Celsius of heat. So this can be left outdoors, but obviously the fitting is up to you. How you want to do it is again up to you. You need to somehow make a little hole here with a drill bit, very small, and make sure it doesn't go past about there. Just literally a tiny hole, and then you can keep this outdoors. This is because if later on at some stage water did get into here, it comes straight out, causing no damage to the product. Now, because this is a RCD protected, it's only protected by a 13 amp fuse at the plug. That is the safest. It's the only way to make this safe, basically. Fit it outside, you will need to open it up. Now these have nothing behind them, because this is a permanent fixture inside here. Well, you can change this, but we'll get to that later on. You would have to take off these. They're in all four corners with a little screwdriver, and loosen the gland, lift this out basically, and put some washers behind here, and then drill this into a permanent fixture. Or you can put, I don't know, some sort of anything basically. You can use anything without going inside here and fitting it against something. That's also possible. That's the basics of fitting this outside to your property or inside a shed, even anything like that is possible. It's all possible because it's good cable. Also, this is again waterproof, it's weatherproof, stormproof, and it's IP, what does it say on the box, IP66 rated. So you know, as long as you don't leave it on overnight and you turn it off at the plug, because that's possible for you to do, like just to be on a safe side. For watching, and if you would like to see me remove this, you can get that on the next video. Just go to all of the videos on my channel and you'll find out how to change this. Say you wanted a USB socket one, you can do that. Say you wanted one without LED lights, you can do that. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next one.